Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, today we will learn about the Vernacular Press Act. This is one of the topic of print culture of social science 10th. Modeled or the Irish press laws passed the Vernacular Press Act in 1878. Dear students, this Vernacular Press Act, it was an act regarding the press. It was passed in 1878. It provided the government with tyrannical rights to censor reports and editorials in the vernacular newspapers. If a seditious report was published as opposing the government, the newspaper was warned, and if the newspaper did not heed to the initial warning, then the press was seized and the printing machinery confiscated. So this was an act how to publish the things, how to publish the reports, how to print the ideologies. This was the Vernacular Press Act gave stress that no such material should be published, should be printed, which would be against the government, which would be against the credibility of the nation. So the printing press, if they publish such things, they should be warned first. If they still continued their process, then the machinery will be confined, will be seized. This was a complete violation of freedom of expression. As you know, dear students, we have freedom in every respect: freedom of speech, freedom of ideas, freedom of vote, freedom of education. We have the different basic fundamental rights. So we have this expression of speech, freedom of speech. When we have freedom of speech, we can express our ideas, and the newspaper or the printing press will publish these ideas. When a powerful Indian press grew both in English and Indian languages, the press both in English and Indian languages criticized the British rule and the native newspapers. Since it was the condition of the period of the past when the Britishers were in India, and there was no such freedom of speech, so such laws were passed against the Indians. So Indians raised the grievances through different methods, through press, we can say, and thus the British government took this measure. So Indians were fighting for their freedom, and they print their ideas. They gave their suggestions through print media, through writings, through press. So this British government passed this vernacular this print act, press act, which for the smooth printing material, which could not harm the interests of British, but the Indians revolted against that, and they gave the suggestions to the Britishers that freedom of speech must be taken into cognizance. So this was the thought of vernacular press. Let us go ahead, inshallah, tomorrow. Thank you very much.